Discover the Kaysunlink A, a compact and powerful body camera that captures crystal clear full high-definition 1080 pixels videos and photos during your travels, walks, and daily adventures. Its loop and motion detection modes ensure you never miss important moments while providing comprehensive coverage. With a generous 64GB microSD card included, you can store up to 11 hours of footage. The long-lasting 1000 mAh rechargeable battery and simultaneous recording and charging feature give you endless recording freedom. Enjoy easy playback options for your videos. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the mini body camera, your ultra-lightweight and compact recording companion weighing only 26 grams. With its sleek black matte finish and magnetic clip, it easily attaches to metal surfaces, giving you versatile angles for security, outdoor adventures, or daily moments. Its 1-inch LCD screen lets you monitor and review footage instantly, while its 280-minute recording time ensures you never miss a beat. Perfect gifts, sports, or capturing everyday life. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the BOBLOV 7, a fun and versatile mini body-worn camera designed for simple everyday recording. With just one press, you can easily capture videos, voice notes, or snapshots. Its lightweight, compact design with a magnetic clip makes it perfect for capturing moments with pets, kids, or personal security. Enjoy extended recording with a built-in rechargeable battery, loop recording, and a pre-installed microSD card. Instant use, whether for home, outdoor adventures, or professional monitoring, BOBLOV 7 is your reliable, easy-to-use companion. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the SPIKECAM BodyCam, your portable security companion. This high-definition body camera captures clear, detailed footage with a wide 120-degree lens, perfect for patrolling or biking. It boasts a long-lasting 1200 mAh battery providing 5 to 6 hours of recording with an easy 4-level power indicator, one-touch operation, stealth mode, and a lightweight design with a secure alligator clip. User-friendly and discreet. Stay confident knowing your moments are always recorded. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the BOBLOV KJ Pro Body Camera, your ultimate recording companion. Capture stunning 2028 pixel videos and 38 megapixel photos with incredible clarity. Its 4000 mAh battery provides up to 15 hours of continuous recording, perfect for long shifts or overnight surveillance. Equipped with night vision using 5 infrared lights, it performs flawlessly in low light. The USB-C interface ensures fast data transfer, and loop recording keeps your latest recordings safe. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the BOBLOV KJ Body Camera, the ultimate wearable device for enhanced safety and professional recording. With an ultra-clear, enhanced high-definition video resolution of 1440 pixels and 48 megapixels for sharp photos, it's perfect for legal evidence, security, patrolling, or outdoor adventures. Enjoy up to 13 hours of continuous recording with rechargeable 3000 mAh battery, expandable memory up to 512 GB. Equipped with night vision and pre-recording features, it captures all details, day or night. Wear it hands-free with easy clips and enjoy 2 years of warranty. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the mini BodyCam, a tiny yet powerful action camera weighing only 26 grams and about the size of your thumb. Perfect for mountain biking, traveling, or skiing, it captures your adventures with ease. Its magnetic design allows you to attach it to pets or clip it onto yourself, encouraging creative filming angles. With up to 180 minutes of battery life and included accessories including a 32GB memory card, camera is your all-in-one recording companion. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.